What's cracking? It's your boy, Loud, Zach, Sunrise, whatever you want to call me. Look at that view. Oh god, this motherfucker's so loud. Hold on. So, just on top of a mountain, taking a hike. Just wanted to hit y'all up. Hopefully y'all can hear me past all the music. But I just wanted to, you know, check in and make a video. Yeah, there we go. So should do it. Yeah, I just wanted to make a video. Talking about, you know, getting back with nature and stuff and connecting with nature, cause you know, when I was watching all these YouTube videos and whatnot, that's like a lot of the main things people would say when I would hear them talk is about how important it is to get connected with nature and stuff. And I just want to say it's real important. It's one of the quickest ways to unlock and, you know, heal yourself, unlock your DNA and heal yourself, get back to how you're supposed to be. The past, I don't know, 4 or 5 months, I've been in nature a lot of parks. I ain't really been hiking that much, but this is my first hike in a while. They just opened the park back up. It looked like a desert more than anything, but still nature. But yeah, getting back to nature and connecting with Mother Earth, yo, I'm telling you, put you in a whole nother space mentally. Like, like I know I'm still a student, I'm still learning everything about myself and remembering everything I know, but I feel like a goddamn guru or something. Let me, yeah, feel like a goddamn yogi master or something. And it's all because of getting back with nature and all kind of things. But yeah, you should connect back with nature. You should look at the sun. See the sun? Sun gaze. Stare at the sun, guys. It's really good for your eyes and your body. Make sure your skin gets some sunlight, get some of this environment. Coming off the fast. My fast ending in like 1 hour. I'm about to go home and eat this honeydew and some avocado. Goddamn. But yeah, I mean, just enjoying my day and another day in what is it, Los Angeles. And you guys just need to connect with nature. Alright, I'm done running my mouth.